In this video, I'll show you how to add Planet Fitness to your Apple Wallet. First of all, you need to open the App Store and you need to go to the search where you need to write Pass to You. And in order to add Planet Fitness to your Apple Wallet, you need to have this app, which is called Pass to You Wallet. I already installed it, so I'll open it. After you will open the app, you need to click Pass Store in the bottom left corner. And you need to go to the search in the top right where you need to write Planet Fitness, and you need to find the template. It's different for different states, different countries. So for example, I will take this one for Canada. You need to click the next button in the top right corner and you need to start entering your own card details. So right here, you can enter the name, membership, account number, and other information, and then click Done in the top right corner. Then click Add in the top right again. And after you will do it, you can go to the Apple Wallet where you will see your Planet Fitness card. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.